Okay, Assalamualaikum Kasha.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, today we're gonna do a practical exam. It is you need to bring two stories to retelling to me, and then which story do you bring today?
The story I read today is movie and favorite things.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay. One day there is Nino and Fahman, and there is me. And that day, Nino and Fahman talking to each other, and me just silent and hear their conversation.
Okay.
Okay. In that time, Nino asked to the Fahman about Fahman favorite things. For the first question, Nino asked to the Fahman is, Fahman, what is your Fahman? Can we talk about your favorite things? Like that. And then Fahman said, okay, not a big deal, because I have so many favorite things.
Okay.
Like that. And then Nino asked Fahman again. Okay, Fahman, let's get start. And then Nino asked Fahman like this. Fahman, what is your favorite food? You can pick 3 fruit and you need to tell me why you like that fruit. And then Fahman said, I think I will tell you just one because I just like one fruit. And then Fahman said to Nino again, I like avocado because avocado can glow my face and make my skin more bright,
Okay.
like that. And then Nino said, okay Fahman, good choice. Then after that, Nino asked to the Fahman again, Fahman, what is your favorite movie? And then Fahman said, my favorite movie is Interstellar. And then after Nino asked the Fahman favorite movie, the Nino asked the Fahman again, what is your I mean Nino tell to the Fahman, my favorite actor is Brad Pitt, so I like Brad Pitt a lot. And then Fahman said, yeah, I think he is great. And then after that, Nino asked to the Fahman again, like this. Fahman, do you talk about hobby? Then Fahman said, no, I didn't, like that. And then Nino asked to Fahman again, but Fahman, do you have hobby? And then Fahman said, yes, I have, like football or tennis ball, like that.
Okay. That is all.
Yes, that's all for the favorite things.
Okay. What is the conclusion about that conversations?
The conclusion of the conversation is Nino want to know what is Fahman favorite things.
Okay, that is great. Okay, we can continue to next story.
Okay, for the next story, next day after Nino and Fahman conversation, I go to the Jafar and Arya conversation,
Okay.
and then I asked to them, what are you guys talking about? And then they said, we are talking about our favorite movie. And then I I said to Arya and Jafar again, okay, just start. your conversation, guys. And then Arya and Jafar start their conversation. Arya asked to Jafar like this. Jafar, are superhero, in your opinion, is superheroes are great? And then Jafar said, yeah, I think superheroes movie are great because there are so many heroes. They have skill. And then Arya asked to Jafar again like this. Uh, which movies are better, Jafar, DC or Marvel movies? And then Jafar tell to Arya like this. In my opinion, Marvel movies are better because the graphic and the skill of the hero is more better than DC. And I like Marvel lots like that. And then Jafar asked to Arya like this. Okay, Arya, now I will ask you some question. And then Jafar said, Arya, do you prefer to watch movie alone or with family and friend? And then Arya said, alone sometimes is not that bad because you can listen or hear the movie better because there is no one talk to each other.
Okay.
And then if we if we watch movie with family, it's way more fun because we can talk to each other about the movie we are watching and we can laughing together like that. And then Jafar said, okay, Arya, that's a good answer. And then after that, Arya asked Jafar again. Jafar, in your opinion, what is the scariest film ever? And then Jafar said, Conjuring perhaps, I'm not sure. And then Arya asked to Jafar again, Jafar, what is the best comedy movie ever? And then Jafar said, in my opinion, the best comedy movie is Mr. Bean, Oggy and the Crocodile, and others. And Arya said, okay Jafar, good. I like Mr. Bean and Oggy and the Crocodile too. Like that. And then Arya asked to Jafar again, Jafar, what is the best horror movie all time? And then Jafar said, Conjuring for sure, like that. And then after their conversation, Jafar and Arya go away because they want to go to the museum. Like that.
That is all done for the conversations.
Huh?
That is all of the conversations. Okay. Can you tell me about why The Conjuring is the scariest movie in the conversations?
Because in Jafar's opinion, Conjuring is Conjuring have many jump scare and many jump scare and
Many ghosts or something?
many ghosts and yeah, because it's the scariest.
Okay. Thank you, Tasya. Thank you for doing the practical exam today. It's very great for your retelling story. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.